Hello, Mike. This is a quick video for you to use hashtags in Facebook Reels. Let's start from here. This is my profile, so you can also go to your profile. You know how to make Reels, I know that. So you go to Reel here, and then let's choose an example of this image. I can see you have posted one reel with the slideshow effect having background music on it. So I'm just trying to show you how to use hashtag here. So let's start from here, and then like cross, roads, driver, education. Education. You can describe anything you want, and then use hashtag here, choose hash and driving. So driving has 4.7 million posts, and then I choose here, and then hash, and then driving, and then school, driving school here, and then again with the driving lesson, maybe driving, and then LESSONS license, driving license, yeah, driving license here, 7.30k post, and driving license Melbourne has 5,000 posts. I would suggest to use both, and then go, and then driving, and then LESSONS. What is this? Okay, sorry, we went somewhere. Driving license Melbourne here, so 5,000 posts. Similarly, you can find related hashtags for you. You can go to Google and type hashtags for Facebook Reels. You will get a bunch of hashtags there. Just for this is for just an idea, okay? And you can find similar, hashtag, like say for an example, Vic Roads, Vic ROADS, Vic Roads, and this is my idea here. Go to hash, and then MELBOURNE, 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 students, STUD, students here, 1,000 posts here, STUDENTS, students. Okay, you can simply just like type, or just like click from here. So this is just an example, and you go to Altham here, hash Eltham. So basically, we are also covering this suburb Eltham, and I would suggest to use only 10 hashtags. Up to 15 you can go. However, I would suggest to use 10, and you can include one suburb at least on one post, and say for another post you can use another, like a suburb. Maybe you can choose like multiple suburb in one post, like 2 3 suburbs. I would suggest not to go more than that. Like suburbs. So on each post you can include different suburbs, like the suburbs that you cover your services. And what is this hashtags basically means is, when you use this hashtag, you can reach your post up to lots of people, whoever using these hashtags, so they can also see your post. That's very simple. And when you use this hashtag, you will realize that your like a reach will be higher, and then you will also have more followers. So it will work as a magic. Like you just try, and like you will see the result in just like in about 24 hours, in one day, and you will realize the difference between like posting your post in normal post and in reels. So that's we are done here, and you can do this kind of thing separately in like Instagram as well. This is just an idea for Facebook. Okay, now here we go, how to select some options here. So who can see this reel? Reel, so public, so let it be. And then scheduling option, like post now, let it be, so don't do anything. So Instagram, so don't do anything, so you can post Instagram separately using hashtag, instead of just like linking and just clicking from here. Okay, so don't do anything. And then so tag people, if you want to tag people, you can tag, but then let it be, because people already are in your Facebook. They can see this reel automatically. So location, in location you want to choose Melbourne, all right, because you're targeting Melbourne, 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 then Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So your post will be reached within Melbourne. I mean, it's going to target Melbourne area. So add a label here. It says add AI label. Don't do anything. If you have used AI to create a reel, then only you have to choose this option, add AI label. But if you haven't used AI to create this reel, then don't just like choose this option. All right. So now if you have one more option here, if you have this option like say share to groups, then you can also share to groups. It would be very beneficial because when you post this reel to groups, it will be also like posted to all those groups, having multiple people joining those groups. So for an example, BuySwap Melbourne. So if you have say joined to BuySwap groups, say let's take an example. Say in that group, let's consider there are like 10,000 people, 10K people. Then your post will be reached up to those 10,000 people as well. All right, 10K people I mean. So now if you have like this option, share to groups, you can share to group, like for an example, just choose, write something here, and then just like choose that option, for an example like this, and then say save, and then choose like this. All right, and then just post it. If not, then like you have to save here if you want to do this, if you have this option. If not, just I'll go back here and then share now. That's pretty simple. And then it's going to share the reel. So that's it. And if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can always call me. And if you need any help, I would be more than happy to do that. And you see, like if you want help with that Instagram hashtag things, you let me know. All right. And similar way, this way you can also use this hashtag things in Instagram. You will see the result in about 24 hours, and you'll see the difference as well. Okay, Mike. And if you want also help with, say, for an example, YouTube that things video upload, and then just say to use hashtag in that YouTube things, and then to use some like keyword ideas to upload in I'm sorry, in the I'm sorry, in YouTube. You let me know. I can help you to write the correct description with the correct way to upload the videos, so that you can upload those videos targeting the keywords that you want in the YouTube video section as well. So let me know if you need any help with that as well. Okay, thanks, Mike. Have a good day. Bye bye.